Ho, 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 ho!
It is December 8th, so we are doing bag 8 of our daily Batmobile build. So yesterday we kind of just focused on this little section here. So let's get into bag number 8. That is the end of bag number 8. So we just keep building up these side areas, adding detail. We secured these in. These are still loose. But stay tuned tomorrow for bag number 9.